When it comes to spices that I can add to my breakfast or brunch recipes, I love using cinnamon because it's warm and the taste is so amazing. So in this recipe, I'm going to be showing you a very easy and simple cinnamon roll pancake recipe that is going to turn out amazing. The pancakes are going to be soft, fluffy, and gorgeous, and each bite is going to be so good. We're going to start off by making our cinnamon filling. So in a small bowl, you're going to add in half a cup of sugar. Next, add in a third cup of margarine. Lastly, you're going to add in 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Use a spoon, mix until fully combined. Place aside. Then I'm going to pick a mixing bowl. Into a bowl, you're going to add in your dry ingredients. I'm going to start off with 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, which is going to season the pancakes. Next, add in 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, sugar, that is a third cup, and using a whisk, I'm going to whisk in the dry ingredients until fully combined. Now it's time for the wet ingredients. So you're going to crack in an egg, gradually add in your milk as you whisk, making sure to scrape the bottom of the bowl so that the wet and dry ingredients can get fully combined. Add in a tablespoon more milk. This is the consistency that you're looking for. Add in a tablespoon of cooking oil. Mix once more. If you notice that your butter has lumps, don't panic. It's quite okay. Don't overmix your butter. So once everything is fully combined, you're going to pick your cinnamon filling, and using a piping bag, I'm going to transfer in. I'm going to transfer my piping bag to a cup. Then next, transfer in the cinnamon sugar filling. My cinnamon filling is ready. My pancake batter is also ready. So the next step is going to be making our pancakes. So over medium flame, we're going to place a non-stick pan. Wait for around 30 seconds so that the pan can get ready. When the pan is ready, I'm going to scoop out my butter, place in the pan. As the pancake is cooking, you'll notice bubbling on top. So you're going to wait for around 30 seconds to a minute. Pick my cinnamon filling and nip the end just like that. And once ready, you're going to flip. You're going to scoop out your butter using a ladle or a cup. Transfer into the pan. Once you notice bubbling, you're going to transfer in your cinnamon sugar filling. Wait for around 10 more seconds. Then using your spatula, you're going to flip so that the other side can cook. Gorgeous. Wait for around 10 more seconds so that the other side can cook. And as the pancake is cooking, it's smelling amazing since we're using cinnamon. Absolutely love it. When ready, I'm going to transfer to a plate. Then I'm going to add in my next round. Once again, you're going to flip your pancake. And you'll notice that as the pancakes are cooking, the sugar is melting. It might melt away, but still the cinnamon flavor is going to be so good. So I'm going to cook my pancake for around 20 to 30 more seconds so that the other side can cook. Once your cinnamon roll pancakes are ready, they're going to be looking gorgeous, and you'll notice that the sugar on top has caramelized as the pancakes are cooking. The pancakes are going to be tall, fluffy, and so delicious, and you can serve over a cup of tea or coffee.